English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It connects people from different countries and cultures. Many people use English to study, work, and travel. If you want to watch international movies or listen to popular songs, English helps you enjoy them. It is the main language of the internet, science, and technology. Most schools around the world teach English as a second language. When you speak English, you can meet and talk with people from many places. English also helps you get good jobs and grow in your career. It gives you confidence when you travel or meet new people. That is why learning English is very important. Tip 1. Learn English every day. To improve your English, you must practice it every day. A little practice every day is better than a lot only once a week. You can read a short article or listen to an English song. You can watch a short video with English subtitles. You can write a few sentences in your notebook. Speaking to yourself in English is also a good idea. You can also talk with friends or family members who know English. If you are alone, use apps that help you speak English. Practice makes your memory strong and helps you feel confident. Try to learn a new word each day. Use that word in a sentence so you remember it. You can put English labels on things in your room. That way, you will see the words every day. You can also read children's books in English. They are simple and fun. Practice listening and repeating after native speakers. You will hear how words sound and how they are said. You can keep a diary in English. Just write a few lines about your day. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep learning. Learning English every day is the importance of English. Tip 2. Build a strong vocabulary. Having many English words helps you speak and understand better. Try to learn words in groups like food, animals, or school items. Make word cards and test yourself. Say the words out loud and write them down. Look at the words often so you don't forget. Use pictures to remember new words. You can also use a dictionary or an app. Try to learn the meaning, pronunciation, and use of each word. Make sentences using new words. When you learn opposites like hot and cold, it helps you remember better. Try to use new words in daily conversation. Reading books or articles helps you see the words in real use. Try to listen to stories in English and write down the words you don't know. Ask your teacher or friend to explain new words. Use games like crosswords or word search puzzles. Don't try to learn too many words at once. It's better to learn slowly and remember well. Check your vocabulary once a week. Repeat and review often. A strong vocabulary helps you express your ideas clearly. Building a strong vocabulary is the importance of English. Tip 3. Practice listening skills. Listening is a key part of language learning. You can't speak well if you don't understand what people say. Watch English cartoons or shows with subtitles. Listen to English songs and try to understand the words. Use online listening tools or podcasts. Repeat what you hear to improve your accent. Try to listen for the main idea first. Then listen again for details. Try different topics like news, sports, or stories. Listen to short dialogues and answer questions. Do listening tests to check your progress. Try to understand the mood of the speaker. Focus on common phrases and intonation. Watch short English videos every day. Practice listening without looking at the screen. Talk to native speakers online or in person. Listening helps you learn new words too. Use both slow and fast English to train your ears. Try to guess meaning from context. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Practicing listening skills is the importance of English. Tip 4. Speak English without fear. Many learners are shy or scared to speak English, but you must try to speak even if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Talk to yourself in English at home. Look in the mirror and speak. Join an English club at school or online. Talk with your friends in English. Don't worry about grammar too much at first. Focus on simple and clear sentences. Use basic words to express your ideas. Speak slowly and clearly. Try to ask and answer simple questions. Record your voice and listen to it. See what you can improve. Practice speaking in front of your family. Try to copy how native speakers talk. Watch how they move their mouths and lips. Repeat after them. The more you speak, the better you get. Speaking with confidence is very helpful. Speaking English without fear is the importance of English. Tip 5. Read English books and stories. Reading helps you see how words are used. Start with easy books, like picture books or short stories. Look at the pictures to understand the meaning. Try to read out loud. This helps your speaking and reading together. Use your finger to follow the words. Guess the meaning of new words. Then check them in a dictionary. Write down interesting words or phrases. Try to read one page every day. Stories help you learn sentence structure. You learn how to start and end a story. You see how to use past tense and present tense. Read books about things you like, such as animals or sports. Reading can be fun and relaxing. Visit a library or read online books. Share what you read with others. Try to retell the story in your own words. Reading helps you think in English. Reading improves your grammar and vocabulary too. Reading English books and stories is the importance of English. Tip 6. Use English in real life. Try to use English outside the classroom. Ask for help in English. Order food in English if possible. Read signs, menus, or posters in English. Write a shopping list in English. Send a message to your friend in English. Try to write comments on videos or posts in English. Use English while playing games. Say the names of objects in your room in English. Give directions in English. Write notes or reminders in English. Practice writing emails in English. Introduce yourself in English. Talk about your hobbies in English. Describe your family in English. Ask and answer simple questions. Speak in English while doing your chores. Practice English with tourists if you meet any. Role life use helps you remember better. Using English in real life is the importance of English. Tip 7. Watch English videos and movies. Watching videos and movies helps you learn natural English. Start with short videos or cartoons. Use subtitles at first. Later, try to watch without them. Listen to how actors speak. Try to copy their accent and tone. Notice how they ask and answer questions. Write down new words and phrases. Pause the video and repeat lines. Watch funny shows to enjoy learning. Watch scenes more than once. Try to act out a short scene. Use English captions, not your native language. Watch videos about daily life topics. Choose videos that match your level. Watch with your friends and discuss. Listen to how fast or slow they speak. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Enjoy the story and learn naturally. Watching fun content makes learning easier. Watching English videos and movies is the importance of English. Tip 8. Write in English often. Writing helps you remember what you learn. Start with short sentences. Write about your day or what you ate. Keep a diary in English. Use simple words at first. Write about your favorite hobby. Write letters or messages to your friends. Try writing short stories. Write descriptions of your room, school, or pet. Use new words and grammar rules. Check your spelling. Ask your teacher or friend to check your writing. Try to rewrite your text to make it better. Practice using different tenses. Learn how to start and end your writing. Use punctuation marks correctly. Try writing poems or songs. Set goals for your writing. Try to write every day. Writing in English often is the importance of English. Tip 9. Learn grammar step by step. Grammar helps you make correct sentences. Start with easy rules like subject-verb agreement. Learn how to make positive and negative sentences. Practice asking questions. Use grammar books for beginners. Do exercises and quizzes. Use grammar apps to make it fun. Learn about past, present, and future tenses. Practice using is, and do, does. Study prepositions like on, in, under. Learn about articles a and And don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on one rule at a time. Write your own examples. Check if your sentence is correct. Use grammar in your speaking and writing. Read books to see grammar in real use. Ask your teacher when you don't understand. Review grammar rules often. Grammar helps you speak and write clearly. Learning grammar step by step is the importance of English. Tip 10. Be patient and keep trying. Learning a language takes time. Don't give up if it feels hard. Everyone learns at their own speed. Celebrate small wins. Try to enjoy the learning process. Be proud of your progress. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Ask for help when you need it. Keep practicing every day. Remember why you want to learn English. Stay positive and curious. Try new ways to learn. Make a list of things you've learned. Keep going even when it's tough. Use English in small ways every day. Stay motivated by setting goals. Share your progress with friends. Believe in yourself. Being patient and keeping trying is the importance of English.